Moving day is finally here, you guys. I am on my way to go pick up the keys. Hunter's still packing the old house, but I will see you in the new house for the big reveal. Welcome to our new home. I'm sorry, there's probably gonna be a crazy echo. I'm gonna try and take you quick because they're moving everything in. Cocina, look at this. You guys, I finally get my white kitchen. I just love that, like the black handles, very farmhouse, super moderno, but very still warm and farmhousey. This beautiful huge sink here. I love the matte black handles so much, you guys. This island, hello, oh my goodness. Love these. Butler's pantry, and then built-in desk. Hunter finally gets his computer back. Living room. I love all the can lighting. Love. Nice and bright. And bedroom here. This is gonna be a little bit challenging because we moved down to a 1, so I'm gonna have my beauty set up somewhere around this area. And then closet. Here we go. And then second little closet, aka Hunter's closet. I'm gonna share. I'm teasing. Somewhat, kind of. Baño, our beautiful bathroom here. Beautiful bathroom. I just love, oh my God, you guys, the matte handles, like the matte black. It just gives me life. Our beautiful big, look at that, oh my gosh. Cannot wait. And our linen closet. We did not have a linen in our old one, so that's really nice. And then come back out. Then we just have our little like washer and dryer space. And that about does it. We are so ecstatic, beyond excited to be here in the new house. I cannot wait to be creating new videos for you guys. You know, I'm in my cocinera era, so this kitchen, I could just cry. God is so good, and through every challenge, I am just still so blessed, and I'm so thankful. And I can't wait for you guys to see the vision that I have for this home. Very old, I don't even want to say old money, because ew, I hate that that's like a thing now, but I've always really liked Grand Millennial style, more traditional, very luxe, maximalism. I love color, print, texture, so I cannot wait for this to come together. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, hanging out. Of course, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Mwah! Toodaloo!